Hi all, my name is Ram Krishna. I am the co-founder and Chief Operating Officer from Zoreum Blockchain Labs. We are happy to be here to showcase our products in BioAsia 2020. This is in a row we are exhibiting our stall. We are a blockchain based company working in digitalizing health records with a product called impart.us. This product we have developed for US market, and we are delivering the same product in India and in other countries in APAC region, and I'm very happy to introduce our product in BioAsia 2020. The technology we are using in this product is blockchain technology. Basically that is a core technology because we give another layer of security in digital health records, which is very vital, because you know that many of the data pertaining to patient is been compromised, and we offer this blockchain layer of security where it creates immutable records, and we are making a patient as also a stakeholder. We are adding in the peer network. That's how the significance of blockchain in this particular patient record is vital. We understood the gap, and we are the front runner in offering this particular blockchain technology in the field of patient health records.
Hello, this is Smita. I'm working as a CCO in Zoreum Technologies. As Hyderabad is a pharma hub, we are very happy to give our services. We have developed 3 decentralized applications. 2 are into pharma sectors. So this will be very useful for pharma sectors. Thank you.
I'm Aravind. I'm Vice President for Zoreum Blockchain Labs. And here we have a product EMR chain.us. One of the important aspect for this is most of the medical records, once a patient gives the access to hospitals or insurers, the data privacy is lost. We are bringing the power of electronic medical records, authorization to use them to the back to the hands of patients. So that is one thing. And there is a lot of, if you look at the opportunities for new fresh graduates in blockchain, see, blockchain has use cases across the multiple industries, and healthcare and life sciences is one major sector where blockchain can bring data integrity, data governance, and security. Say for example, let's take clinical research. Lot of research data gets into the system, but let's take the regulators or compliance people or FDA or whatever agencies. All these people, they don't trust the data which is given by organizations outright. Okay, so wherever there is scope for multiple stakeholders working together to bring data integrity, that is where blockchain opportunities lie. Regarding the skill set required for these graduates, one is, if you look at the technology stack, today this is age of convergence. IT and biotechnology are marrying, and blockchain is one major sector where smart contracts and setting up blockchain private or public network infrastructure are the basic fundamental knowledge a graduate should have. Thank you.